Okay, we're doing RGB displacement in Blender. First go to your compositing workspace and click on Use Nodes. Then add in an image node. Select your image from the File Explorer. I'm using a beach. Then add in a Viewer node. You may want to also get a Scale node and change the scale to 0.3 for the X and the Y values. Then get a Separate RGBA node. Connect image to the image input. Then get Translate nodes. Duplicate this 2 times, and then connect RG and B to the image input of the Translate nodes. Then you're going to want to get a Combine RGBA node. Connect RGB to the respective values. Then connect the image output to the composite and to the viewer node. You should see your image pop up when you connect to the viewer node. Then you can simply change the translate values of the R, G, and B translate nodes. And you should start to see your image looks something like this. Now, tweaking these values will change the amount of displacement for each color. So if you want something that looks a little bit like this, you have higher values. That's how you do it.